Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. So we're back again with another video today. Starts with our soap review. So again, this was sent out to me by Ettore, so special thank you to them. Links will be in the description below where you can buy this on the West Coast and the East Coast, and I believe this is at Lowe's, because Lowe's typically carries all the Ettore stuff. It'll just like Home Depot carries all the Unger stuff. So this will be a quick review about the Ettore Super Concentrate Squeegee Off Solution. So to start off, this is a 16-ounce bottle, so it should make 16 gallons. So 1 ounce equals 1 gallon to 1 gallon of water. So the directions are as follows. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of concentrate per gallon of water, and then mix it up. Mix it up and scrub the window with an Ettore scrubber. Obviously, you don't have to do that. It could be whatever scrubber. It's an important step that really gets the glass clean as soap and a hard-working scrubber lift the dirt and smudges. And then squeegee the windows right off. Please never clean glass in direct sunlight. Obviously, never clean glass in direct sunlight is not possible. Sometimes you're going to have to do it, and it does suck. So what I did find with this concentrate here, when I did clean in direct sunlight, it did do the job well. The water, if you follow the directions, it's not going to suds up a lot. It's only going to suds up, like, you can just kind of tell there's soap in there. So you might want to put a little bit more than the manufacturer recommended amount. I typically mix this with Dawn, so I always have a mixture of some kind of extra soap with my Dawn soap. Again, Dawn soap is pretty much the go, or any dishwashing soap for that matter. I haven't really seen any difference between Dawn soap and all the other soaps, but I always have Dawn Platinum as my soap because it is very cheap, and it's the biggest amount you can buy at a store. I get it at Costco. It's about 96 ounces bottle, and it's only like 10-11 bucks. Typically goes on sale, and you can only get like a 50-ounce bottle like at Walmart or stuff for the same price. So if you have a Costco membership, check it out. So yeah, so back to this. So it does do what it says. It is streak free. Like I said, when I just use just straight solution and water, just this, no add-ons or anything, it did clean the windows well. It did glide very well. I really did enjoy using this product, and this is actually my second bottle. I already finished the one they sent me, but I didn't record the video in time, so this is my second bottle. And like I said, I use this one. I mean, I have all the soaps with me. I just switch them around. But if you want to give this one a try, I definitely recommend it. Like I said, the only thing is it's not gonna suds up a lot. It will clean. The sudsing doesn't mean it's not cleaning. Just saying, you're not gonna get that satisfying suds on the window, and for your Instagram videos and whatnot. But all in all, I think Ettore, their Super Concentrate, is a good product. So I definitely recommend it. And I think it's like 10 bucks or $14 for this, I think. So yeah, so I checked them out. Again, thank you for Ettore for sending out the initial product. This is obviously the second one, but thank you for sending it out. And yeah, till the next one. Peace.